January often feels like a month when the garden is completely at rest, but in reality it is an important starting point for the new growing season. While frost and cold temperatures limit outdoor work, many vegetables can still be planted directly in the soil or started in protected conditions. Early planting allows crops to develop slowly and steadily, which often results in stronger plants and earlier harvests in spring. Garlic is one of the most reliable crops to plant in January, especially in regions with milder winters. It prefers loose, well-drained soil, and planting it early gives the bulbs time to establish roots before active growth begins. Onions grown from seed can also be sown very early, as they need a long season to form proper bulbs. Keeping the soil lightly moist helps ensure even germination. Spinach is an excellent choice for winter planting because it tolerates cold extremely well. It germinates quickly and can provide tender leaves even while temperatures remain low. Lamb's lettuce thrives in winter conditions and develops a richer flavor after exposure to cold. It requires very little care once established. Peas are well suited for January sowing in milder climates, especially early varieties. Cool weather helps them grow compact and strong without stress. Broad beans are even more cold tolerant and are commonly planted during winter. They also improve soil fertility by fixing nitrogen, which benefits future crops. Carrots can be sown in January if the soil is workable and not frozen solid. Their seeds take time to sprout, so consistent moisture is essential. Parsley behaves similarly, often taking several weeks to emerge, but early sowing results in healthier and more productive plants later on. Lettuce grows well when started under protection such as tunnels, cold frames, or greenhouses. Early varieties are surprisingly hardy and can be harvested young. Radishes are another fast-growing option, ideal for winter sowing in protected spaces, providing quick results with minimal effort. Leeks can be started from seed in January, as they need a long growing period. Early sowing allows the plants to develop thick, strong stems by autumn. Celery also benefits from very early planting because of its slow initial growth. Adequate light is important to prevent weak, elongated seedlings. Cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, and kale are commonly started indoors in January. These brassicas grow best when seedlings are strong before transplanting outdoors. Kale is especially hardy and can tolerate cold even at a young age. Kohlrabi can also be started early, producing tender bulbs when planted at the right time. Beetroot can be sown under protection in January for an early crop. It prefers cooler conditions during early growth. Turnips and swedes can also be started early, as they develop better flavor when grown slowly in cool weather. Spring onions are another easy option and can be harvested young or left to mature. Fava greens, mustard greens, and arugula grow well in winter conditions and can be sown repeatedly. These leafy vegetables grow quickly and provide fresh harvests when few other crops are available. Chicory and endive can also be started early, especially in controlled environments. In conclusion, January offers far more planting opportunities than most gardeners realize. With careful planning and basic protection from extreme cold, a wide range of vegetables can be started successfully. These early efforts create a strong foundation for a productive and rewarding gardening season long before spring officially arrives.